Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy here, Abdul from Tech112. On this video guys of today, I got something amazing. This is about Photoshop retouch. So if you have seen a lot of type of models pictures which are quite amazing, whereby you'll be like, whoa, how is this picture taken? Well, for further info guys, today I'm going to teach you a little bit a trick which is quite easy. So if you're using Photoshop or you're a beginner, you'll just get it ASAP. Very easy and simple one. So we'll be dealing with retouching, we'll be dealing with changing the facial and more. So it's a little bit kind of great and you'll be enjoying on this tutorial. So inside, as you see guys, let me do that. Okay, as you can see guys, a little bit, there is a little bit of texture inside the face, like there's a little bit of pimples and there's a little bit of light. The picture is busted with light, so we're gonna adjust it first. So I'm gonna click Ctrl+Shift+A on the keyboard to bring the panel of colors and adjustments, which is kind of amazing. So we'll be adjusting the layer first of all before I get in there, because I think the picture is a little bit busted. So I'm gonna release some exposure. So yeah, that's ASAP. So the exposure is already released. Now I can feel the texture of the image. Now we can do a little bit of duplicating the layer. So I'm going to click Ctrl+G on the keyboard, which is kind of amazing. Then we're going to invert. Don't get scared guys, it's just an invert. Yeah, after inverting, then I'm going to click on normal. This panel here gives me a lot of kind of stuff here, but I only need something which is very simple, which is vivid light. So I'm going to pick vivid light. I'm going to press Ctrl+O on the keyboard so as I can outlarge my image. Then I'm going to go to the filter. I'm going to find something which is very interesting, which is called high pass. So I'm going to click on hyper, sorry, I click on custom. Okay, I'm going to click on high pass. Then the high pass, the image is back again. So I'll try clicking Ctrl++, yeah, on the keyboard. So as I can zoom in a little bit, I can just see how the high pass goes. So I don't need a lot of high pass. So if you're using a high pass, make sure that you use a little bit of it, not that much, because the image will be like a plastic. It won't be like a human being, it will be like a robot. So I'm going to click here on this kind of panel and we're going to go on blurry. Then I'm going to go to Gaussian, which is great. As you can see, that changes there. So I'm going to adjust a little bit of Gaussian. I need something which is cool. Yep, 2.4 is good. So you can adjust any kind of radius you want. So you can keep it like 4.0, 5.0, depending on your image type. So I'm going to click OK. After that guys, there's something which is quite amazing. We all know about masking. If you don't know about masking, I think I'm supposed to not break it down here, because if I'm supposed to break it down here, I'll be using a lot of energy time of masking. But don't worry, it's kind of simple. Masking is the process whereby you see this layer here, you duplicate another single layer, whereby you are working with only one single layer with two layers inside it, but they're using masking. So I'm going to click Alt on the keyboard. I'm going to click the masking. So after clicking the masking, my image is back again. So we're going to paint the face. Why am I painting the face? I'm painting the face because I allowed the layer of masking. Yeah. Now I'm going to increase the brush size, and after increasing the brush size, we're going to paint. So I'm putting it to hardness to 0%, because I just don't need that much hardness, because it will just freak out. And yeah, so as you can see guys, there's a little bit of try to unhide this layer. You'll see there's a little bit of change. As you can see guys, there's kind of change. The face was not that much great here, yeah, but right now, whoa, that lady rocks. But there's something which you see on the eye. So on the retouching is something which is kind of simple. So that's the kind of process, but that's not just ending there. I'm thinking about changing a little bit of the eye. So we change the eyes to be a little bit white. So I'm going to faster the process a little bit. Into marquee lines. So Control and on the keyboard. I love using shortcut. It's very simplifying works to go. Yeah. Hasta la vista. Now I'm going to select the whiteout. Yeah, it's purely white. Thank you. Then I'm going to fill the color inside it. Then I'm going to go on this kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm working on just one single layer. I don't want to use a different layer to change the color, so I just want the same layer. Yeah, let us fill it with the whiteout. So it's done filled with that whiteout. But you'll be scared, like, whoa, that image though, the eyes are like, whoa, plastic made. Yeah, is this a cyborg movie or something? Nah, it's not a cyborg. Just relax, guys, and take a cup of coffee. So I'm going to change the light out, and I can say overlay. So I did an overlay of the image. I'm going to duplicate, no, not that much. Oops, I'm going to remove that in the layer. I think, yeah, that's much better. So I'm going to decrease a little bit, yeah, a little bit there. Yep. So let us zoom out and see something. Still no changes. Let me right click and merge all layers, and let me try changing another ones. Yeah, by doing this way. Light color. Yeah, we got it. Soft light. Just use soft light. It's kind of amazing. So I'm going to use the soft light. I changed it soft light. So what I'm going to do here, I'll hold J for spotlight healing. Which is, yeah, that color is good because the environment is beach, and beach looks like cyan, but the water is colorless. Yeah, that's what's up. But what makes the water colorless, by the way? Yeah, I know why. Because of the sky. Yeah, sky high, but sky is not the limit. Okay, yeah. So I'm rasterizing here. Yep. Now that looks definitely like the tattoos looks the same color, and I can just, yeah. Whoa, this is amazing. So like this, you see the magic. Boom. Okay, this is kind of image which is kind of great, and I kind of like it because we just did some retouch of the image, which is something which is great. So this is just the simplest way to do a little bit of touches. You do the touches of the skin, you do the touches of the eyes, which makes the image looks very crispy, and you just like it because it's amazing. So this is kind of image which is kind of great, and I'll be sharing with you guys the image. If you would like a PSD, I'll be leaving a link down below so as you can go and check it out. And thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate, guys, to drop a thumbs up. And if you don't drop a thumbs up, well, thank you and be blessed too. So thank you guys for watching, and if you didn't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to your boy, because it would be amazing. Supporting him is something which is good. Supporting each other to reach where the peak it is. And I'll be supporting you guys too, to give you the most interesting and good tutorial you'll be liking them. So for further info, guys, I'm signing out.